Happy Friday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast for WeatherBug. And the good news is that our Sharknado threat has ended, of course, from earlier this week. If you were paying attention to any of the WeatherBug forecasts, of course, in association with Sharknado week, we kind of had a little fun, but the Midwest severe weather threat will be in place over the next couple of days. We are expecting some heavy pockets of rain and flooding, maybe even down into Florida, but excessive heat will be in place as well over the central U.S. Within these particular heat advisories and excessive heat warnings, our heat indices this afternoon could be well into the 100-degree range. So again, that'll be some dangerous heat. And on the northern periphery of that, we do have a severe threat, mainly from the upper Mississippi Valley to the Central Plains as an area of low pressure tracks across the Canadian Prairie provinces. And then tomorrow, another threat here across parts of the plains and the Midwest. Also looking at maybe some strong thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon. That particular threat will likely change in its particular scope and maybe even intensity. So we'll be watching for that. But showers and storms in an arc-like fashion around this big dome of hot weather from the southwest to the Midwest, and then even down into parts of the southeast. It looks like some of the heaviest rain over a 3 to 5 day period will be down in Florida, looking at maybe 3 to 5+ inches of rain there, and maybe 1 to 2+ over the Midwest, but too hot and humid actually for any thunderstorm development as you get down to the deep south. All right, so our forecast shows this big dome of very hot weather starting to shift east a little bit. Billings and Denver at 91, starting to see some of our first 100-degree days of the year in Dallas. That happening almost a full month past when we typically see our first 100-degree days in Dallas. 90 in St. Louis, our friends in D.C. up to 90. Tomorrow back in the heat in Washington, D.C. and Atlanta, and we'll be at 88 in Minneapolis on your Saturday.